Good morning once again, guys. And what a beautiful morning it is. I thought I'd share this morning with you. I sold a painting this morning, so I thought you'd like to see it. I'm just about out to do the shopping, so I'll see you in the next one. I'll just do the usual, get this one wrapped up and off to the post office as I'm heading over to do my shopping. And then that's two birds with the one stone, as they would say. Yeah, quite a busy day today. It's Friday, so yeah. I'll be doing grocery shopping. I'll probably do a video of that as well. Probably the same usual groceries. But it seems to be causing an interest, so I'll do one. And also, I've got another painting to do this afternoon. As you know, I'm doing a whole series of oil paintings on Scottish deer and hares, romantic style Highland paintings. So I'll be doing them this one. Well, I've got one to do this afternoon. I'm going to try and get that done before 3 o'clock, because that's when I plan on having my usual Friday afternoon off. I close up shop on a Friday afternoon for the weekend, and I have a film weekend, as you all know. Sit and watch the films and have a break, and it's a Sunday day of rest. So yeah, get this wrapped up and we'll get off to the post office and we'll get on to the next video. Oh, how exciting it is. Yeah, and I mentioned to Jenny, I hope you enjoy this painting and you've made a great choice. Thanks for the purchase. It's coming on your way this morning. So yeah, lovely painting. I take it you like colours. Beautiful colours. Enjoy.